Chad here. Welcome to Rally with Rolly. I have here a 2020 Yamaha WR250F, not to be confused with the Yamaha WR250R. In this video, I'll show you how I've installed these Tusk excursion bags along with this ROTOPAX 1-gallon fuel container without the use of a substantial subframe and a top rack, and just how much weight I've hauled. I bought this bike with the intent of riding it as a dual sport bike, and then after much research looking for aftermarket top racks, maybe a more substantial subframe, I could not find anything available for this model year. So man, I went through the motions. Do I fabricate maybe a top rack myself? Do I do a subframe extension? Maybe use a top rack for a different model and make it fit on this? After going through all that, I decided I'd mount my ROTOPAX directly to the rear fender. A rear fender OEM, give or take about $70. So if the fender wasn't up for the task, I'd buy a new one. Rear of the bike, subframe, stock subframe, right here, ends about right there. The exhaust hooks to it. This is the ROTOPAX mount, just the basic standard mount. Has 2 bolt holes in the bottom, 1 on each side, and I thought, no better place than the center of that Yamaha logo. It's almost like Yamaha put a bullseye there. That hole first, lined up for the second hole. Use the supplied backing plate that came with the ROTOPAX mount. So as you can see, no subframe. That's the end of it right there, where the muffler hooks to the subframe there. And then the 2 holes for the ROTOPAX right in the plastic. So there's the mount, securely mounted just to the rear fender of that bike. And I mean, it has a little flex, but for the most part, pretty sturdy fender. Then put these Tusk excursion bags on there like so. If you want to see more on how I installed these and a couple innovations and changes I've made, exclusive to this bike for how I mounted it, check out my install video I did on these bags. ROTOPAX 1-gallon can on top there. This thing's threaded, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Skidder tight. That's quarter turn, cinches down on that can. And I like to put the can with the spout on the opposite side of the exhaust, just in case it leaks. It's dripping over here and not on the hot exhaust. So just how much weight am I packing on the back of this WR250F? I've got my saddlebags full of my moto camping gear. I've got tents, my sleeping pads, sleeping bags, food, change of clothes, hygiene, clean unders, extra fuel, extra water. So to test how much weight I am packing, I've got this here trusty dusty bathroom scale. And to do a baseline, I've got all my gear on, boots, pants, riding shirt, gloves, quite a heavy riding jacket, my helmet. And my baseline will be just that. $198. Now I'll pull all this gear off and hold it, step onto the same scale, and then the difference will be approximately how much extra weight all that luggage and gear is. Okay, so here's all the gear. I'm just gonna hold it and then step on this scale. There's with all the gear, 238. So about 40 pounds worth of gear. So I've had the ROTOPAX mounted to the rear fender about 4,000 miles. I've had the excursion bags, I don't remember, maybe 3,500 miles, 3,000 miles, fully loaded, full of gear, a couple thousand miles. So I put a good test to it. I don't see any stress on the subframe, don't see any stress on the fender. So it's worked great for me. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Click the notification bell to see my next videos coming out. You'll be notified just as soon as they're available. And as always, subscribe. Be much appreciated. Thanks for watching, and go adventure and go rally.